Hey, what's up everyone? Josh Quinones here, and today we're going to be talking about US Mobile. Now, if you're not sure you know what that is or who that is, basically, they're a prepaid carrier service. Now, this video is not being sponsored by them or anything like that, but they were nice enough to send over 2 SIM cards for me to go ahead and check out their service, see what I think about it, and then of course share it with you guys here on the channel. So that's exactly what we're going to be doing today. Now, I'm not going to make you guys wait till the end to see what I think about it. I'm just going to tell you guys right off the bat. I have been enjoying their service. I mean, it has been great. And I gotta say, out of all the prepaid carriers that I have tried before, I gotta say, US Mobile has to be the best one that I have tried out so far, if I'm being completely honest with you guys. And one of the big reasons for that is because you're getting the best of both worlds with US Mobile. And you're probably thinking to yourself, what the heck are you talking about, Josh? When I say you get the best of both worlds, you get a SIM card that runs off of T-Mobile towers, and you get a SIM card that runs off of Verizon towers. So depending on, which one does better in your area, which carrier gives you better coverage, you get to choose between the two because, most prepaid carriers, they're running off of major carriers' cell towers. Well, this one, you get the best of both worlds, like I said, either T-Mobile or Verizon. Now, I do recommend that you do your research to see, which one does have better coverage in your area, whether it be T-Mobile or Verizon. That way you make the right choice. And the thing with US Mobile, I actually have some notes right here. I got their whole website pulled up. I can easily just tell you guys, go check out their website and read it all. But no, I got to give you guys my thoughts on this because, like I said, they have been great. Now, on their website, it does, let you choose between both of these, but it will tell you that you get to try it out for 14 days risk-free, or up to 14 days. If you decide you don't like it, or maybe, the T-Mobile one's not right for you or the Verizon one's not right for you, you get a full refund if you do decide to cancel before those 14 days. So you don't get, stuck giving them a payment. And all their plans, taxes and fees are completely included. What you see is what you get. And they got tons of different plans with these SIM cards right here. And you also get the perks that a lot of the major carriers get as well. So you got a prepaid carrier right here giving you perks of a larger carrier. So they definitely got a lot going on here. So if I'm jumping into their website right here, it lets you know what networks they have. You get 5G and 4G LTE coverage on the best networks in the US. So yes, you do get up to 5G coverage with these SIM cards right here. And I actually have the Verizon one in this device right here, have the T-Mobile one in this device right here, both 5G phones. And yes, I could say that I have gotten 5G coverage on both of these right here. Also, if you have a Verizon device, the Verizon SIM card, or the one that runs off of the Verizon towers, will work with that Verizon device. So you don't have to get it unlocked. And the same thing goes with the T-Mobile device right as well. This Galaxy Note 20 Ultra is a T-Mobile device. I put the SIM card that runs off of the T-Mobile tower, I put it into this device right here, worked perfect, no problems at all. I simply just popped it in there and it started working. Now, of course, it's going to be different for you guys. When you order your SIM card, you can choose to either keep your number, you can transfer your number over, or you can get a new number as well. So 5G and 4G are definitely going to work with these SIM cards right here. You do have pooled plans, meaning it's basically like a family plan. If you want to get a bunch of people in it, you can set up a pool plan where you can put how many lines you want, and then you can put about how many gigabytes you think each of you guys are going to use, and then it will give you the total price of whatever it's going to be. And this does include taxes and fees as well. So pretty cool there. If you go down more, you have their unlimited plans. So you get one line for $45, which I think is a good deal compared to major carriers. That's for unlimited everything, limited calls, text, and data. You get 2 lines for $30 a line, which in my opinion, I think is one of the best deals for when it comes to 2 lines, because this $30 a line for 2 lines, that's $60 in total. You're still getting unlimited everything, calls, text, unlimited data. And for only 60 bucks, say you have, a T-Mobile line. I think the cheapest line for T-Mobile for 1 line is 60 bucks. Well, you can have 2 lines for 60 bucks. And say, you're in an area where, T-Mobile is good for the most part, but you have this one area in the city where it's just not that great, but Verizon works really good. Well, there you go. You get the best of both worlds right here for the same price of 1 line on T-Mobile. but you get 2 lines right here. So you still get to stay connected, you know, on the other SIM card. You can keep up with your, you know, social media, emails, text messages, or whatever. Like I said, you get the best of both worlds for the same price as 1 line on a major carrier. So definitely very cool. And then for 3+ lines, it's $25 a line, unlimited everything. And then if you want to add hotspot, you can add 20 gigabytes of speedy hotspot for just $10. So it's only an extra 10 bucks. And still, taxes and fees are still all included. Now check this out. You know how all the bigger carriers do have their perks? Well, you get the same perks with US Mobile as well. So if I go into this, it's going to let me know all of the perks that I can get. So if you have a 3 unlimited all plan, you can get up to 1 perk for those lines. Or if you add a 4th line, you can get an extra perk. So they let you add on things like music. You can choose, you know, Slacker Plus Live, Pandora, Audible, Spotify, Apple Music Family, or you can choose video, Apple TV Plus, Disney Plus, Hulu, ESPN Plus, Netflix Standard, HBO Max, or you can even choose things for gaming. You got PlayStation Plus, Xbox Live Gold, which I'm sure a lot of people use now, Stadia Pro, and Apple Arcade. So definitely a lot to choose from there for your perks. And then you can also build your own plan. So they definitely got a lot going on here. And aside from their plans, I mean, just coverage alone is great. And yeah, the speeds aren't going to be exactly, you know, what the bigger carriers are going to be. Like if you compare the Verizon SIM card to an actual Verizon SIM card, it's not going to be as fast, but I gotta say it is close. I mean, I can show you the numbers right here. I did a speed test with an actual T-Mobile SIM card, which I personally have, and then the T-Mobile SIM card from US Mobile, and there really was not that big of a gap. And you know, besides looking at the numbers, I mean, we can do speed tests all day, but aside from that, just in real life, everyday usage, honestly, I don't really notice a huge difference, at least when it comes to the T-Mobile one. I don't have a dedicated Verizon SIM card, but I could tell you that I was able to do everything that I do every day, no problem at all, using this Verizon SIM card right here. I have one area in my city right here where T-Mobile just, it sucks. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. T-Mobile just sucks in this one area in my city, and that's where this US Mobile Verizon SIM card definitely came in handy. I was able to stay connected. I was able to watch YouTube videos at the highest resolution. I was able to game, check my emails. I was able to stay connected without any problems at all. No buffering in my videos or anything like that. So it was definitely nice being able to use both of these and to see how they work in my city. Of course, it's going to be different for everybody. That's why I say, you know, make sure you do your research to, you know, make sure you're getting yourself the right SIM card. But of course, you do have that 14-day period where you can say, you know what, this isn't working out for me. Let me get a refund. And then you can go and try out the other one if you really want to. But there it is, US Mobile definitely got a lot going on. I personally think it is worth it. I can definitely recommend it. If you do find yourself interested and maybe you want to try them out, I'll make sure to have a link down in the description below so you can go and check them out for yourself. And if you do decide to do so, let me know what you think down in the comment sections below. Let me know what you think about the speeds, about the overall coverage. I would love to know your thoughts. You guys, thank you so much for watching. This is Josh Quinones. If you did like this video, make sure you give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. But for now, again, this is Josh Quinones. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.